Hi, I'm Blake Anderson and I'm with A Banyan Residence Assisted Living. Part of our enrichment offering were these frequent outings to dinners, movies, baseball games, and even aquariums, but the current environment does not allow for that at this moment. We also used to have live music come to our property at least 4 times a week, and again, something that we are not allowed to do at this moment, and these are things that residents relied on. As a way to maintain a lifestyle residents were used to, we now have regularly scheduled boutique food trucks from local businesses as well as live music visit our property for an outdoor barbecue with singing and dancing.